Once again, welcome back to the new video of obstetrics and gynecology for all. Today we are going to see about the candidiasis in pregnancy. That is, fungal infections are occurring during the pregnancy, and it is a very common problem during the pregnancy, and we are going to see what is the reason for that and how we can manage it. The causative organisms for the candidiasis include Candida albicans and Candida tropicalis. These two microorganisms are causing this candidiasis. And during the pregnancy, the vaginal pH will become more alkaline and the estrogen level also will be high. So these two things contributes to the production of vaginal glycogen, or more glycogen will be there in the vaginal tissues. And we know that pregnancy is a stage of hypoglycemia, that is availability of sugar also will be more. So due to the presence of more sugar or more glycogen in the vaginal areas or in the local tissues over there will be a good medium for the growth of fungi, and that is the reason for the contribution of this high incidence of, or that is the reason for the high incidence of candidiasis or fungal infections during pregnancy. And the signs and symptoms of this fungal infection include the lady will get the vaginal and vulval irritation, and the area will become red, that is erythematous. The area will be erythematous, and edema also will be, the swelling of the area will be there, vulva swelling will be there, and pruritus will be there. She will be having severe itching, and along with that she will get white curd like vaginal discharges, and an yeasty odor will be coming from the vagina, and she will be having dysuria, that is painful micturition will be there, and dyspareunia also will be there, that is painful sexual intercourse. And for the screening, you can use the saline or potassium hydroxide wet mount. You can use it, or you can apply it over the area, and or you can take the swab and you can apply saline or potassium hydroxide. And if you are observing the swab in microscope, you can see that it will show the hyphae, pseudo hyphae, and budding of the yeast. You can identify through the microscopic examination. Otherwise, you can assess the vaginal pH, and the vaginal pH will be lower than 4.7. And a white Whiffy test shows that a fishy odor will be coming from the vagina. So these are the ways, these things you can correlate with the signs and symptoms, and you can finalize the diagnosis. Now we can see the treatment, or we can see how to manage the fungal infections, or mainly the candidiasis during the pregnancy. We can use the antifungal agents, and we can use the intravaginal agents such as butaconazole, clotrimazole, miconazole, or tetraconazole. So these agents you can allow the lady to apply over the area. Local application will be sufficient for managing the condition. You can advise her to clean the area properly. After cleaning the area properly, she should apply any of this antifungal agent, and she can apply it even into the vagina also. And it is better to take the sitz bath. Sitz bath also will help her to relieve or reduce the condition. So these are the main things about the candidiasis during pregnancy. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon with a new infection that can occur during the pregnancy.